Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another dorm tour. Today we're in Major Hall, one of our dark side dorms on campus. Right through here, we have our common room TV, pool table, wonderful scenery outside. It's a 3-story dorm, co-ed floor, men's floor, women's floor. It's got it all.
Welcome to my room. It's a split double between me and my roommate. This is my roommate side. I got a little bit of bookshelf motion going on over here. This is a little sign. The A is for Aliana, my roommate's name, and then Z for Zarya, which is my name. We're pretty tight like that.
Now let's move on to Zarya's side of the room.
Yeah, so blue is my favorite color, as you can tell. Got a little blue motion on the wall here. My favorite album.
What's your favorite album?
If I had to pick, I would pick Good Kid, Mad City by Kendrick Lamar. My favorite album of all time. This is my pillow, Pochita from Chainsaw Man. We've been through everything together. He's my G.
What is this?
So when I left for college, one of my friends from back home gave me this, and she's like, call me. I was like, yeah, I got you. This is my secret lair. Follow me. The one thing I love about the Major Hall closets is that there's so much space. Behind here too, in all these drawers.
What would you say is your absolute favorite thing about living in Major?
One, the view. Even at nighttime when there's no view or when it's dark, we still manage to make it very festive with lights and stuff in here. Second thing is the community here in Major. Everyone on my floor, all the girls are very sweet and we all bond all the time. Wait, who's knocking on the door?
Oh.
A dorm tour.
Oh my god, wait, you should do this.
Yeah, come on, guys. Let's do it.
All right. Bye, guys.
Look at this. Marques, tell us a little bit about your room.
So right here I got the photos of my friends. There's the posse. Got this poster from Welland when they're giving out free posters.
Is that Alexander Hamilton on your wall?
Yeah, that is. My mom set those up on the first day.
Oh, it's a little alien.
It's my guy. Of course, we have
Good
Joey's
stuff,
side and everything. He's got his posters set
Roomy's
up.
side. Good stuff. Time for some burning questions. By burning questions, I mean normal questions. What's your favorite thing about living in Major?
Probably all the people. I live with like at least 10 different people I know. Very fun. I see someone every day.
Shout out Major. Oh yeah.